Hi K3, this is our reading, phonics, and letters and sounds class. It's part 2, okay? So, it's Thursday today, just for the record. So we're going to continue with a song. Do you guys remember Be My Echo? Elephant, the E says, elephant. Here we go. Be my echo, be my echo. E says E says Elephant and Eskimo, elephant and Eskimo. Elevator engineer, elevator engineer. Eh, eh, eh. What does E say? What does E say? E says E says ever exit elbow, ever exit elbow. Echo eggs and engine, echo eggs and engine. E says E says super duper. You guys are just amazing. Now we're going to look at the board and we're going to play a little game. There's 3 lists of words. 1, 2, 3. Now, in this list of words, we need to see if 2 of the words have the same vowel sound. Okay, if it does, we're going to stand up and we're going to jump 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Let's see. Let's read these words. Set, bug, win. Are there 2 words that have the same vowel sound? Nope, so we're going to stay seated. Okay, here we go. Number 2. Let's read the words. Sell, big, lips. Are there 2 words that have the same vowel sound? Yes! Big and lips. So we're going to jump for joy. 1, 2, 3, yay! What vowel sound do the 2 words have? Do you know? Yes, the letter I that makes the sound I. Bit it, g, lit it, ips. Woohoo! 1, 2, 3. You guys did it. Super duper. Now, let's circle them. Big and lips have the same vowel sound. You guys are amazing. Now let's look at number 3. Let's read the word. Mitt, rug, sick. Are there 2 words with the same vowel sound? Yes, there is. So let's jump for joy. 1, 2, 3. What are they? Mitt and sick. That's right. Let's jump for joy again. 1, 2, 3. Wow, that was fun. Now, what vowel sound does it have? I, as in Indian. Indian. Super duper. You guys are amazing. Remember, there's 5 vowels in the alphabet. Read this chart with me. Indian. Umbrella. Elephant. Apple. Ostrich. An ostrich is a big, big bird. Okay, now, it says letters and sounds, page 8. So let's get our letters and sounds book out. Here it is. And let's open it up to page 8. There you go. Look at those cool pictures. Look what it says here. It says, listen as your teacher says the name of each picture. Circle the vowel that you hear. Okay, you can do it. I'm not going to tell you. You're going to decide all on your own because you've learned these vowel sounds. Parents, let the kids do it and make sure that you write the date on the top. Here we go. Fish, fish. Circle the vowel sound and repeat the words with me. Hill, hill. Circle the vowel sound. Bug, bug. Circle the vowel sound. Mitt, mitt. Circle the vowel sound. Milk, milk. Circle the vowel sound. Belt, belt. Circle the vowel sound. Cup, cup. Circle the vowel sound. Web, web. Circle the vowel sound. Pin, pin. Circle the vowel sound. Super! And that's our class for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.